Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to open the recorder app. Following that, click on this red button and choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. As you can see now, recording is on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can always do that by clicking on this button. If you want to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and in order to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now you can name your recording however you wish to, and delete it right away by choosing delete, or save it by tapping on OK. Now, to access list of all your recordings, click on this button with 3 lines. Then click on Settings and tap on this switcher next to allow access to manage all files. Then select the back button. Now, to play your recording, click on it. Then click on Allow in this pop-up and play it, skip it, do whatever you wish to. You can also click on those 3 dots at the top right corner and select Rename or Delete Recording. If you wish to, you can always go back and hold your recording over here. Then select Delete at the bottom right corner, click, and tap on OK in the pop-up. You can also go back and click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Now manage those settings however you wish to, like for example recording format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!